And we're back to learning Inkscape in year day 73. Just a quick tip, if you don't see your handles, so when you have the nodes to active, you can see right here for the curved nodes a handle. So once more, it's not for the straight ones, it's where the curves are. And if you can't see that at all, well, this might be because right here Show Bezier Handles is unchecked. All of these functions here to the right, they are just some appearance options, so they don't really do anything to your nodes. It's just how they look, and in this case, if the handles are shown so that you can use them afterwards. There's also a path outline, and these are the transform options. There's also one for masking and clipping. I haven't yet talked about that in my playlist. But again, this doesn't do anything to your nodes, it's just for the appearance. And the important one is here for Show Bezier Handles, because these are the handles, so if you can't see them at all, make sure that you have this icon here highlighted. And I haven't talked about these two numerical values. You can use them to reposition your nodes numerically. And there's the drop down for a different unit. So if you want to set that to pixels, you can do that here and position your nodes very specifically. And this concludes our tutorials here in this playlist about the nodes tool. In the next video, I'm going to move on to another tool. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.